guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kurumi. Today we are going to talk about how to say so, very, really, quite in Japanese in a natural way of speaking. Do you know how to say them in Japanese? Okay, if you know how to use them in a natural way of speaking, it could be easier for you to make friends for sure. So let's talk about it. I'll introduce 7 of our most common ways of saying them. とても、すごい、本当に、めっちゃ、めちゃくちゃ、マジ、クソ。とても is the most polite way to say and translated very in English, often used with an honorific sentence. Mostly used by women, and men seldom use it except in business. For example, とても美味しいです。とてもお綺麗ですね。But if you pronounce とっても, it becomes the more casual way to say, and it will have an emphatic meaning. For example, とっても美味しい。Okay, let's practice.
とても美味しいです。とっても美味しいです。Which one is more casual?
すごい It's a more natural and casual way to say than とても。If you pronounce すっごい, it will sound more casual and it will have a more emphatic meaning. For example, これすごいかわいい。どこで買ったの？これすっごいかわいいでしょ。これね、友達が作ってくれたの。いいの？ Like this. Let's practice.
すごいかわいい。すっごいかわいい。Which one has a more emphatic meaning?
本当に It has the same meaning as 本当に Saying 本当に is a little hard, so we say 本当に or 本当 for short. The difference between 本当 and 本当に is 本当に is the expression that is a little more emphatic than 本当。For example, 本当かっこいい。本当にかっこいい。Did you get it? Okay, let's practice.
本当かっこいい。本当にかっこいい。Which one has a more emphatic meaning?
めっちゃ It's translated very, extremely, excessively in English. It's a slangy way to say, but others also can use it. めちゃくちゃ It's translated extreme, unreasonable, mess. But I think that it's kind of similar to めっちゃ. For example, この料理めっちゃ美味しそうね。めちゃくちゃ美味しそう。 早く食べよう like this. So the difference between めっちゃ and めちゃくちゃ, めちゃくちゃ has a little more emphatic meaning than めっちゃ. Let's practice.
めっちゃ美味しそう。めちゃくちゃ美味しそう。Are they used the same way?
マジ It's translated seriously or really in English. Mostly, it's used by teenagers or boys. It's kind of dirty way to say, so it's not recommended for everyone to use. For example, あの猫マジかわいい。それな、マジかわいいよね。マジかわいい。Like this. Let's practice.
マジかわいい。マジ is a polite way to say.
クソ translated F word in English. This is the most slangy way to say, mostly used by teenagers or boys. It's kind of dirty way to say, so it's not recommended for women to use. For example, ねえねえ、見て、あの人、クソかっこいい。いや、あの人クソイケメンじゃん。ね。Like this. Let's practice.
クソかっこいい。クソ眠い。Which one is more slangy?
Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it. In this channel, a Japanese high school student teach you about Japanese slang and how to speak Japanese differently based on your personality. If you are interested in my channel or if you like this video, please give me good and subscribe my channel. So, see you in the next video. Bye!